Thank you for watching this tutorial for the Advantage Genetics Nasopharyngeal Specimen Collection instructions. Let's begin with step 1. First, tilt the patient's head back 70 degrees. Insert the e-swab into nostril. Leave swab in place for several seconds to absorb secretions. Next, slowly remove the e-swab while rotating it. Be sure to swab both nostrils with the same swab. While holding the swab in the same hand, aseptically remove the cap from the tube. Insert the swab into the tube with the e-swab liquid. Try to avoid splashing contents onto the skin. Wash with soap and water if exposed. Replace the cap onto the tube and close tightly to prevent leaks. Insert tube into biohazard bag and seal. Place biohazard bag into return shipping envelope featuring the return shipping label. Seal and prepare to ship. Lastly, all specimens should be sent immediately after collection. If the specimen cannot be sent immediately, refrigerate until shipped. Do not freeze. Thank you for a successful specimen collection. Our team will notify you shortly for your results.